Volkswagen, das Auto.
So the first thing to do is to import your audio clip and apply the auto beat feature. Also ensure to reduce the speed to 0.9 and add the change audio pitch to keep it natural. Next is to import our clip, our first overlay, like so, and make sure to trim it and adjust it to the background. We will now apply the max mirror feature and extend it to fit 1/3 of the screen, like so. We will then make a duplicate of this first overlay. We'll make 2 duplicates of these and make sure that they are properly arranged and aligned, like you can see me do. After this, we'll then apply the max mirror feature to all duplicates of the overlay, like so. Make sure that each overlay takes at least 1/3 of the screen, depending on how many overlays. In this case we have 3, so we divided it into 3 parts and fill it appropriately, like you can see me do. Then we will now apply the animation. In this case we're using the unfold animation for each tree of the clip. So guys, in case you miss any step, do well to check the description, as I have put in a proper guide on how you can replicate this tutorial. So we'll go ahead to trim each overlay. Make sure that it syncs with the beat, like so. So after we are done, we'll import our next overlay, which is this image. Then we'll go ahead to remove the background of the overlay. Make sure to trim the edges of the overlays to sync with the beat, like you can see me do. So after this, we'll be creating our upward reveal animation using the keyframes, placing the keyframes at the beginning and the end of the clip, while dragging the subject of the clip downwards from the beginning of the clip, like you can see me do. And for the smooth effect, we'll be using the flow to graph. The next step is for us to import our other clips, like so, having them carefully selected and imported, and making sure that we adjust or trim each clip to sync with the beat. So after the syncing, we'll go ahead to create a zoom in effect, like so, by adding keyframes to the beginning of each clip while extending it at the ending of the clip. We'll replicate this for every other clip to create the zoom in effect. We will now move on to add our transition, and for this video we'll be making use of the white flash transition effect. Make sure that you apply this transition to all. So guys, the last thing to do before exporting your video is to apply the unfold animation, like so. You can use the search bar for ease of access, and you will go on to apply this unfold animation across all the clips that you have zoomed in, like so. So after this, you can go ahead to export this video in any resolution of your choice. Congratulations guys, let's see how this eventually turned out.
Volkswagen, das Autowort.